What's going on this morning, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you. I'm at the headquarters right now. I wanted to give you an update. So this is how I network myself independently. This is a sheet, pretty much with my ID, different certs on the paper from my NCCR, from my 48 certs to my AWS. Just different things that I have done that could help in the field. So I keep that on one piece of paper, printed, and then I got my resume, and I keep it just so that way people can get some information about me, so that way they can say, okay, let me call some of the people you had did some work for, or see what all you certified in or whatnot, to just kind of give you some background. And then here is a contract agreement that I make when I do a job for different contractors, and this one right here is for contract agreement with the shipping containers. So this is a new contract, and it pretty much going to put me in a good position to grow. So I wanted to show you how I exactly network, and as you see, I'm working on some cards here. I'm about to get ordered, so I'm up this morning, man, putting my mind together to spread my brand, and that's what you have to do. You have to think outside of the box. I would say, since we know for a fact that we are threefold beings, network that way. You know what I'm saying? Network yourself in three different ways. If you can't even, do a whole lot, at least do three different ways. That way you're on three different platforms. Other people can actually see your work ethics and see what you're doing, and you can get more work and actually grow your business instead of being stagnant and standing still. Hold on.